Hello, dear students. This is my fifth class from the chapter Natural Disasters from your science book. And today I shall discuss about drought, how to prevent drought, effects of drought, rescue and rehabilitation by different agencies, managing natural disasters. So, what is drought? Drought is a natural calamity brought about by a severe shortage of water. It may be due to the lack of rain and excessive usage of groundwater. That means when there is a lack of rain and excessive use of groundwater done, then severe shortage of water we face, and that is called drought. During drought condition, hot dry winds blow across, generally in summer season. Temperature shoots up and all moisture from the ground evaporates. And people are to fight for a drop of water. Not only the people, the living beings, the animals, livestock, they face a great problem for a drop of water and shortage of food. Effects of droughts. As there is no rain, cultivation cannot take place. This result to shortage of food. And the acute shortage of food leads to famine. When there is an outbreak of famine, people starve for many days. They live without food, without water, and face a very problem. People and livestock will die in large number due to starvation and lack of water. These conditions may also lead to outbreak of diseases. People, especially the children, suffer from malnutrition. They suffer from different diseases. Their body do not grow properly. Next, I can show you the pictures of some areas of people. This is the picture of famine in 1943 in India. You can see the picture here. For long days starvation, without food, without water, people are going to die. This is a picture of African country Somalia. The people living on that very region, Somalia, Sudan, every year they face a great problem of lack of food, and you can see the figure of the children there. They are suffering for malnutrition, their body not grow properly, and a difficult disease they face for long term. In India, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Gujarat, North Karnataka, Maharashtra, these are the states every year face the problem of drought. So these are the drought prone areas. The picture I am showing you, this is the picture of Maharashtra, one district Bidar. You can see the field, paddy field, and the crops dried due to the lack of rainwater. A very little amount of rainwater last year it got. This is the picture of Bengaluru faced drought in 2019, and they are fighting for the water. The municipality water tank came in the very area, and the people are fighting for this water. And that very year, the water level in Bengaluru, even not only Bengaluru, in Karnataka, decreases very much because of the huge amount of use of water without any precautions. So that can be stopped by various way. We can prevent drought by making rainwater harvesting compulsory in every building, recycling water whatever possible, judicious use of available water resources. This is very important. We should use water how much we need only, avoiding wastage of water. But here wastage of water in our country, that is done by every people. So that should not be done. We should recycle the water. Opting for cultivating crops that require little water. So if we can cultivate, or the farmer can cultivate those crops which need little bit water, then they are not to fight for the food, because in rainy season many places are there where which get a very little amount of rainfall. And nowadays due to global warming the season also changes, it do not come in the time. So we are to farmer are to cultivate that very crop which need less water. This is the picture of rainwater harvesting. So how to harvest rainwater? How can we use the rainwater for our domestic purposes? In this picture you can see the rainwater that is falling on the rooftop of the house are collected in that very tank that is on the ground through the pipe. From various pipes it entered into that very tank. From this water tank, with the help of the pump, again it is sent to the tank which is at the higher position on the roof. From there this can be used for uh, bathroom purpose, for gardening purpose, for car wash, for washing utensils, for washing rooms, that can be done. So this is the process, it is called rainwater harvesting. So if rainwater can be stored, we can use it for other purposes. In ancient days in India, many Maharajas in state like Rajasthan, in Jodhpur, they made such type of rainwater harvesting in their states. You can see and you can search in the Google uh, how they make their well, step wells, pond which can store rainwater for long time. Not only that, uh, the wells and the ponds, they are connected to each other, so that when one pond dried up in the summer season, from the other pond the water comes in that very pond. This is the picture of recycle of water inside and outside our house. So the outlet water, that is the dirty water from the basins, from toilets, from washing machine, or from bathroom showers, can be stored in a holding tank. From holding tank, where the wastage water stored, by using a cleaner or purifier, this water can be purified and can be used for, again, in toilet purpose, for washing clothes, for gardening, for hand wash. So this is the recycle use of water. Next, rescue and rehabilitation. So whenever a natural disaster strikes, like earthquake, flood, any part of our country, the government makes arrangement for evacuation of people and supplies relief to the affected people. Food, water, clothes, medicines, and rushes to that very area. National agencies like NDRF, National Disaster Response Force, United Nations, Red Cross, they help the people for relief operations. Various NGOs also contribute towards helping the affected people. This is the picture where NDRF rescuing the people of the affected area in the flood affected area. The NDRF rescue worker wearing orange color suit and they evacuate the people from that very area. This is the picture of the members of the Red Cross Society helping the people who are affected by natural disasters or in that very pandemic situation. They are supplying medicine, food. This is the picture of United Nations. United Nations Disaster Assessment and Coordination. They locate the very place of natural disaster affected and supply food, clothes, medicines. Not only that, they also arrange shelters for the victims. Other non-government organizations are also there who work for the people in relief work. Managing natural disaster. We know that natural disasters strike without giving us much time to plan and respond. Here are some simple measures for survival. First, we should not panic. We must remain calm and be positive. If we remain calm and be positive, we can take the correct decision. And if we panic, we can take the wrong decision. So we should be calm and be positive. We must help people in whatever way possible. Yes, the people who are seeking help, as a responsible citizen, we also help them. We must seek help. We should contact any source for help. We must approach rescue and relief worker as soon as possible. So these are the measures we can take for survival in case of natural disasters, whether it may be earthquake, cyclone, flood, whatever. So students, we have completed the chapter and you learn the chapter line by line from your book, and also watch my video. Next day we shall discuss the exercise question answers. Okay, thank you.